If your mornings feel incomplete without the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker might just become your new favorite kitchen companion. This sleek, programmable machine is designed to take the hassle out of your daily coffee ritual, offering convenience, reliability, and flavor all in one. With features like QuickTouch programming, a sneak-a-cup function for those can't-wait moments, and a Duralife glass carafe built to last, it's clear why this coffee maker has earned the trust of thousands of households. Whether you're brewing for yourself or a full house, its 12-cup capacity ensures everyone gets their morning boost. Add in the easy view water window, washable filter basket, and automatic shutoff for peace of mind, and you've got a machine that blends simplicity with smart design. Ready to start your day right? Let's dive into what makes this coffee maker a top pick for coffee lovers everywhere. Sleek and practical design. The first thing you'll notice about the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup coffee maker is its modern yet understated design. Finished in matte black with silver accents, it blends seamlessly into most kitchen decors without being overly flashy. At 8.25 inches deep, 12.25 inches wide, and 11 inches tall, it has a compact footprint for a machine that brews up to 12 cups of coffee at once. The Duralife glass carafe is both sturdy and functional, holding up to 12 cups, approximately 5 ounces per cup. Clear measurement markings ensure accurate filling, while the easy grip ergonomic handle makes pouring effortless. The non-stick Keep Hot carafe plate adds further practicality, keeping your coffee warm without the risk of burnt residue that often plagues lower quality machines. Key features at a glance. What sets this coffee maker apart is its smart combination of thoughtful features designed to make mornings smoother. Let's break down the highlights. 12-cup capacity with Duralife carafe, perfect for households, offices, or anyone who entertains frequently. Whether you need 1 cup or the whole pot, this machine has you covered. Sneak-a-cup feature. Can't wait for the brew cycle to finish? This handy feature pauses brewing temporarily so you can pour a cup mid-cycle without messy drips on the hot plate or countertop. Easy view water window. A front-facing window lets you see exactly how much water is in the reservoir, reducing guesswork and preventing overflows. Digital controls with rubberized buttons. The control panel is designed for simplicity and durability. Large rubberized buttons are easy to press, while the backlit screen displays the clock, brew time, and programming options clearly. QuickTouch programming. Set up your coffee the night before with the 24-hour auto brew feature. Wake up to the aroma of fresh coffee without lifting a finger in the morning. 2-hour auto shutoff. Safety and energy efficiency are built in. The coffee maker automatically shuts off after 2 hours, giving you peace of mind if you forget to turn it off. Washable basket filter. The removable basket filter is washable, making it more eco-friendly and cost-effective than using disposable paper filters every day. Brewing performance. When it comes to performance, the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup coffee maker delivers consistent results. Powered by 975 watts, it heats water quickly and maintains an optimal brewing temperature. The result is a pot of hot, flavorful coffee in just minutes. For households with multiple coffee drinkers, the 12-cup capacity is a real advantage. Unlike single-serve machines that require frequent refills, this model ensures you have enough coffee for everyone without repeated brewing cycles. The Sneak-a-Cup feature adds to its practicality, especially on busy mornings. If you're in a rush, you can pour your first cup without worrying about drips on the hot plate or countertop. Meanwhile, the Keep Hot plate ensures that your coffee stays warm for up to 2 hours. While some users may wish for a longer warming time, the automatic shutoff is a valuable safety feature that prevents overheating and saves energy. Ease of use. One of the standout qualities of this coffee maker is its user-friendly design. Programming the brew cycle is straightforward thanks to the QuickTouch programming controls. You can easily set the timer so your coffee is ready first thing in the morning. Filling the water reservoir is quick and precise thanks to the Easy View water window. Cleaning is equally hassle-free. The removable basket filter can be washed and reused, while the glass carafe and lid are easy to rinse. Unlike more complex machines that come with a steep learning curve, the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker is built for convenience. Even those new to drip coffee makers will find it intuitive to operate. Durability and build quality. BLACK+DECKER has long been a trusted name in household appliances, and this coffee maker reflects that reputation. The Duralife carafe is designed for longevity, resistant to cracks and everyday wear. The plastic housing is sturdy without feeling cheap, and the non-stick hot plate ensures easy cleanup after each use. With proper care, this model is built to last years, making it an excellent investment for daily coffee drinkers. Customer satisfaction. With over 46,000 customer reviews on Amazon and an impressive 4.5-star rating, the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker has proven itself to be a consumer favorite. Users frequently praise its ease of use. Many customers appreciate how simple it is to program and operate. Reliability. Consistent performance makes it a dependable part of daily routines. Value for money. It offers many features found in more expensive coffee makers, but at a budget-friendly price. Some users note that the Keep Hot plate's 2-hour shutoff may be too short for those who like to sip coffee throughout the day, but for most, this is outweighed by the added safety benefit. Pros and cons. Pros. Large 12-cup capacity. Programmable with QuickTouch 24-hour auto brew. Sneak a cup feature for mid-brew servings. Washable basket filter for eco-friendliness. Easy View water window for accurate filling. Automatic 2-hour shutoff for safety. Affordable price point. Cons. Keep Hot plate only warms for 2 hours. Primarily plastic construction, though durable. Doesn't include advanced brewing options like strength control. Who should buy the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup coffee maker? This coffee maker is perfect for families or households where multiple people drink coffee, busy professionals who want to wake up to a ready-made pot each morning, budget-conscious buyers seeking an affordable yet reliable machine, casual coffee drinkers who value convenience over advanced customization. If you're a coffee enthusiast who wants barista-level control over brew strength, temperature, and specialty drinks, you may prefer a more advanced machine. But if your goal is dependable, hassle-free brewing every day, this model delivers exactly that. Final verdict. The BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker CM1160-1 strikes the perfect balance between affordability, reliability, and convenience. It doesn't overwhelm you with complex features, but instead focuses on what truly matters: brewing hot, flavorful coffee quickly and consistently.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.